Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your laptop recognizes its brightness keys and the FN combination. Use the keyboard brightness keys with FN or with a dedicated key to change display intensity directly. These keys operate the internal monitor backlight and send commands to the operating system for immediate adjustment. Brightness keys change the screen between 0% and 100% in roughly 10% increments on most systems. If keys do nothing, check the function lock and the keyboard backlight toggle if present. Reboot after driver updates to ensure the keys take effect. If brightness keys remain inactive, install the correct display driver or OEM hotkey driver immediately. Visit your laptop maker's support page and download the display adapter and hotkey package for your model. On Windows, use Device Manager to update or rollback drivers and check for unknown devices that block key events. On Mac, ensure Mac OS is current and that the keyboard firmware is not disabled in system preferences. After installing drivers, reboot the computer and test the FN plus brightness keys again for instant changes. Power settings or adaptive controls can block keyboard brightness adjustments on some machines. Set your power plan to balanced or high performance to allow the full brightness range when on AC power. Disable adaptive brightness and automatic display dimming in power options or accessibility settings to prevent automatic override. On laptops with ambient sensors, turn off auto brightness to ensure keyboard keys control the backlight directly. After changing settings, use the keyboard keys to increase or decrease brightness by specific increments immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.